Hello everyone, accept greetings from Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. Here we are going to present a system, this time for tuitions management system, where the tuitions have various teachers taking the lectures, various subjects to be taken, and the tuitions are into various centers as well. So here we are going to display the system which maintains the attendance record of every students coming to the tuition, as well as the leaves management and maybe the employee management of the tuitions who are serving as the lecturers or the faculties. So let me just log in into as an admin. As an admin you have various facilities, so that you will be able to configure what are the batches you have, what are the training centers you have so far, what are the subjects you are teaching, and what are the number of students already registered into your students. So these are the options for them: per student name, the batch they belong to, the semester they belong to, the stream, it could be science, commerce, or it could be arts and so on. There could be attendance information as well. You can have daily attendance sheets, whatever daily attendance the various teachers have filled up. You can have a whole average analysis as well, that every day how many students are attending, if there is any absence or if there is any mischief noted or what. This can only be configured. So, and for the leaves as well, you can manage to define various leaves for your various lecturers, whether you want to give them sick leaves, you want to give them legal leaves, or paid leaves, unpaid leaves. All this can be configured within the configuration here. So let me just log in as one of the teachers and start making the attendance and also the leaves. Let me just log it out, and I will log as one of the lecturers. So I am logging as Piyush. So when I am logged in, I have two options available. Either I can apply a leave if it's leave to be applied, or I can go for an attendance sheet daily for the lecture I am going daily. So while going to the lecture, I have to pay the attendance today. So by default my faculty will be selected. I can choose the department to be mathematics, science, or whatever you configure. If I am as a visiting faculty, you can specify the name as well. You can choose the subject. You can pick here whether what standard or what grade you are teaching for it. So if you, as soon as you choose a standard, there is a subject as well as the batch. You might have various batches per hour, per 3 hours, per 2 hours on various sectors, or on various of your centers. This can all be managed within the batch. So let's say you choose this specific batch. As soon as you choose a batch, automatic time will be given. Then you can generate attendance. Whatever students are configured so far will be available as a list of students here. So for this particular batch, there is only one student configured. So when you are starting a lecture, you can go for attendance. You can click on absent, present, single click. If during the lecture you find some mischief done by the student, you can click on the comment and you can specify the remarks that the student was having a mobile, or student was doing a mischief, or student not attending well, or so. And this all can be set up. You can send it to the administrator. Once your lecture is finished, you can click on the validate. So the attendance will be validated. If you are willing to apply for a leave, you can go for a leave option. You can see my leave is personal leave, whatever reason, what are the type of leaves, and then you can specify the duration for from what date to what date you want a leave. Once you apply for the leave, it will go to the to approve stage, and the admin will be there, will check the leaves, and they will either approve or reject the leaves. Let me try to show you a secondary stage by having a different teacher logging in. Let me just log in as Neha, and let's see what is the available thing in her class. So far I already have one. If I validate, I will not be able to do any changes anymore. So you can see for these many students, I have all the facilities available to make them absent or present. And as soon as let's say if I have one guy absent, I refresh, system will automatically count that total 4 students were there. There is one absent and 3 present students. So far, as soon as I validate, I will never be able to do any changes, because this validation means the attendance has been sent to the administrator. So I will not be able to do any changes. It will not allow me. It's already in the validation state. So these are the options. We are now converting this into mobile as well. So parents can also take a look at the attendance, and the administrators of the whole tuition classes can manage to see in the mobile. We hope the solution of the tuition management will be liked by you. Go on Facebook and do like our page, and do let us know if you have any queries. Thank you. Have a good day.